Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you a story about this girl I met. See the record? So weird.
Stick out your tongue, girls wanna have fun. Stick out your tongue, can a nigga have some? Stick out your tongue, girls wanna have fun. It's your birthday, can a nigga get some? I'm the cream of the crop, and I know you want some. Nigga, yeah, I did it, and it can be undone. Hundreds on my lap, and she wanna lump sum. Bahama, mama, she mix it with the rum.
Ooh, I like the way that you walk.
DJ,
Savali, my.
Day.
Ooh, I like the way that you talk. Chanda. First time that I met you, girl, you make me go crazy. I couldn't keep my eyes off you. My hormones be racing. Oh Lord, why you have to make something so beautiful? Mesmerizing my thoughts, I'm so hypnotized. If I got a girl, if you ever got it. If I got a girl, if you ever, if I got a girl, if you ever got it. If I got a girl, if you ever. Sono secchi ma io fica e a isip-isip ma o fufung ala lele o kama o ile mafa o mau ki e ngalo o fia pa I akuya oi sweet suma de pe yo se boy yo la lele fia ever ya oi girl fia ever got it fia ever ya oi girl fia ever ever ya oi girl fia ever got it fia ever ya oi girl fia ever
If you ever want to ever mind, we can get together any weather. Listen, let me make you feel better. I got the remedy, come over, sit next to me. I got some things to say. Like, hey, you rock it to my rhythm, got me feeling really good inside. Raise the temperature in here, mama, be open wide. You feeling what I'm feeling, baby. We can share the night. Let me hold ya like a raw night. Keep it juicy, we just chillin' tiny. You wanna be famous, you know what my name is. You just see who I came with. TG Radio.
stick out your tongue, girls wanna have fun. Stick out your tongue, can a nigga have some? Stick out your tongue, girls wanna have